Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Imaginary Leaps, and I thought we'd finish off the week making a beautiful, simple butterfly puppet, as we've had a bit of a theme of caterpillars and butterflies this week. So all you need is a piece of white A4 paper, and you're going to fold that in half, like so. You need a black texture pen or a pencil. A straw is good to use up for this puppet, or a stick, a kebab skewer will do. A pair of scissors, be careful with those, do it with your parent or carer. Some sweet wrappers or coloured cellophane. You might have some big pieces that you use to wrap around flowers. If it's transparent and you can see through it, this is great to play with, cellophane. Then you can use it for your puppet, your beautiful butterfly puppet, or Quabidok Bindi Bindi, as it is in Noongar language here. So, you also need some glue, a Pritt stick, and some tape. Any old tape will do, electrical tape, sticky tape, anything you've got lying around at home. And if you've got any of these stampers that cut out a shape, these are good too. Okay, so you're going to take your piece of paper, fold it in half, and your texture pen, and you're basically going to draw a bottom. So you need the shape of the butterfly wings, and they're symmetrical. So nice and big shape, and you can do this together with your child, and then cut it out. Again, you can do this carefully together with your little one. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So you've got your symmetrical shape here, and you can talk about symmetry with your little one, the mirrored image, like so. And this is a slightly tricky bit, but if you've got these stampers, these can make it easy. So you can just stamp shapes. I've only got this one, heart one, and make it symmetrical. So I've used that, but you can also just bend over the two paper wings and cut shapes out, like so, cutting a diamond out. So that's the same. Oh, dangerously close there. On each side. Let's also do a kind of semicircle here. So you can talk about shapes. Okay, there's your butterfly wings. Now we can talk about colour. So if you cut your cellophane into small pieces, or their lolly wrappers, they can easily then be stuck down by your little one. Putting the glue on the paper, like so, and mirroring the colours symmetrically. So I'm just going to put another piece of green opposite. I'm sure you can make this far better than I can when you have a go at home, as I'm doing it very quickly for you. We'll have a bit of the orange. We can cut that and put it on the semicircle on each side, like so. Stamp it all down, and you can add colour and so on. It's good if you've got a good glue stick that works. They dry up here so much. Okie dokie. So the next thing is you want to stick your stick or straw down the centre. Straws are better for very little ones, obvious reasons. glue doesn't want to stick. Just going to trim this off a bit. Right. Okay, so take a piece of tape and I'm going to use the straw. Pop that down the middle. And then just, can you see? I'll just stick it across like so. And another piece. Just stick it down the middle. So the straw is in the middle. And if you're using a straw, then you can take a little feather or a piece of pipe cleaner, pop that in the top. And you've got yourself a beautiful butterfly, which you can also use as a shadow puppet. Have fun making your butterflies. I'll be telling a story on Sunday, I think. So stay safe and enjoy your butterflies, your bindies flying away.